My question was, Hazrat Masih Maud made a prophecy about World War III. Is this a prophecy that can be fulfilled in the future? And if it does fulfill, what's going to happen to Khilafat?
You see, the prophecy was of the wars, world wars, and other natural hazards as well, earthquakes and tsunamis and some other natural hazards. It has happened, and it did not affect Khilafat. Even the world has experienced First World War and then Second World War. Khilafat remained intact. So if there is going to be a Third World War, it can not affect the Khilafat. But this is the responsibility of every Ahmadi, that before the World War erupts, we should let the people understand, wherever an Ahmadi lives, that we are, going towards a big disaster and havoc. And to save that, we should try to recognize our Allah, God the Almighty, and discharge our duties towards Him, and listen to the message Allah has sent through the Prophet, and in this age through the Prophet Islam. That is the revival of Islam through him. So if we discharge our duties in this way, this is how we can save the world. Otherwise, Khilafat will remain intact, inshallah. Even Hazrat Muslim ﷺ has said, आग है पर आग से वो सब बचाए जाएंगे जो कि रखते हैं खुदाए ज़ुल अजाइब से प्यार. There is fire. Of course, certainly there is fire. But all those who have a love of their Creator will be saved from that fire.